Math is hard and can oftentimes be confusing for a lot of students. What can we do to be successful and have a grade that accurately represents our learning? What can we do to help us better understand math? Research shows us that practicing math problems and taking responsibility for our learning helps us better understand and actually learn the material. In my class, I have certain expectations and defined parameters on what I expect from you. I know that if I can lay these expectations out now, and everything is made clear, we will develop a classroom environment where you feel safe, where you can explore, and where you can succeed. While I have a few procedures and rules for the class, I want to focus on one rule and one procedure that will help us create a safe environment where we can all succeed. The rule is to be responsible, and the procedure is our Do Now worksheets at the beginning of class. Being responsible encompasses many things, but the big ones, to me, are to turn in your work on time, be honest, and ask for help. You are responsible for your own learning, and you are the key to your success. Cheating the answers off of someone else is not only poor character, but it doesn't help you understand the material at all. If you're struggling with the material at home, you can also utilize lots of online resources, like YouTube. YouTube has great tutorials and explanations. It's easy to navigate and can provide lots of information. However, if you choose to utilize YouTube as a resource, make sure you're being responsible and use your time wisely while on the website. The Do Now happens as soon as you arrive to class. Once you find your seat, you will sit down, pull out your Do Now worksheet, and begin working on the problem that will be projected on the board. Once the bell rings, a timer will be set for 3 minutes. Once the timer goes off, we will discuss as a class what the answer is, and you will compare it to what you have on your paper. The Do Now is an opportunity for you to get even more practice applying the new material to everyday life. The Do Now practice will also help us gauge if we're actually understanding the material. It's easy to be responsible and not do the Do Now. However, you will find that your grade will suffer. You may struggle in this class if you do not participate. It will also disrupt a collaborative learning environment and may create chaos and distraction, which hinders learning. You are expected and capable of being responsible by turning in your work on time, being honest, and asking for help if you need it. You will also get lots of practice and application with the new material through the Do Now worksheets that will happen at the start of every class. By laying out all these procedures and rules now, it will help keep distractions and disruptions to a minimum so we can focus on the important parts of class, which is your learning. So be responsible and do your Do Nows.